Good morning, I'm Dr. Jayan from Jayasur Dental Clinic. Today we are going to talk something like what happens when the patient's tooth falls accidentally, especially for children who's playing cycling or boxing or who is doing running race. So how do we manage that? Normally when the tooth is broken, fell down from the accident or because of any sports injury, immediately patient will get panic and they will be worried about the bleeding part. Normally you have to search for the tooth wherever the tooth is broken. We have to check that, get that tooth, and either you have to place it, wash the tooth immediately with water, or you can wash it with milk. Suppose if water and milk is not available, you can directly play one of the parent, anybody, guardian or person himself who met with an accident. He can put that tooth inside the mouth below the tongue till they reach the dentist. So once they reach the dentist is the right person where they can fix the natural fallen tooth immediately and stop the bleeding, either using with ozones or with the sutures. Unlike visiting any hospitals where they'll be managing only the bleeding complications, they won't be handling the tooth refixations. So as soon as the tooth falls, visit any nearby dentist where they'll be stabilizing your tooth, which helps in solving your problem of future. Either because of missing tooth, patient has to go for tooth implants, or they have to go for the artificial bridges. Retaining the natural tooth is the best way, because for the youngsters, periodontal ligament will be vital, and immediately tooth will get fixed immediately after placing the tooth in the socket in hygienic conditions, in a good environment. So this is the case what we have shown you, like how we fix the teeth immediately after placing it in the tooth socket, and patient is able to can start chewing immediately after the placement of the tooth in the socket. Thank you.